Welcome to solverfy.
I'm going to write an equation of a rational function. So in number 1, vertical asymptotes tell me what values I need to make my denominator 0. So if x equals 5 is a vertical asymptote, x minus 5 must be a factor in my denominator. If x equals 6 makes a vertical asymptote, then x minus 6 has to be a value in my denominator. So I'll just put a note over here. Values that make denominator equal 0. X-intercepts, these are the values that make the numerator equal 0. So if I have an x-intercept at 2, then I have a factor x minus 2. If I have an x-intercept at 1, I have a factor x minus 1. X-intercept, that's the value when x equals 0. So let's put in 0 and see what we're going to get. Negative 2 times negative 1 over negative 5 times negative 6. So right now, my y-intercept is going to be 2 over 30 or 1/15. So I want to know, what do I multiply 1/15 by so that it equals 6? Multiply both sides by 15, and you're going to get 90. So my function is going to be y equals 90 x minus 2 times x minus 1 over x minus 5 times x minus 6. Okay, second one. Vertical asymptotes, remember, these are values that make my denominator 0. So 6 gives me an x minus 6 factor. Negative 1 gives me an x plus 1 factor. Vertical asymptotes, x-intercepts at 4 means I have an x minus 4. 2 means I have an x minus 2. A horizontal asymptote at y equals 3. That means the degree of my numerator has to equal the degree of my denominator, which it does. I have a quadratic on top and a quadratic on the bottom. So I need a ratio of leading coefficients to be 3. So this one's a little easier. I just have to put a 3 up top. It's assumed that I have a 1 in the bottom. And that is my function for the second one.